If you want to reset privacy password on Realme Note 70T, then first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and then go to security and privacy. Scroll all the way down and then open more security and privacy. And of course, over here we have the privacy password. Now, if you enter the incorrect password, you should be able to find the forgot password option. So you can tap over here and then you can choose one of these available options that you will find. So if you set up just the security question, then you can only use that in order to reset the password. If you set up an email or if you linked an account, then you should be able to find these options available over here as well. In case you forgot the question or the answer to the question, or if you don't have any other ways to reset the password, then unfortunately the only way to get rid of the password is by performing a factory reset of the device. So unfortunately, a little bit inconvenient. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.